Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy. I live in Germany, and for those people who have been following me on my journey, thank you so much for not giving up on your girl. Raquel today has brought you something that is very special. Those are capsules that you can include in your supplements. They are called Omega-3 1000, as you can see. I hope you're able to see them. Guys, if you are not so good at taking capsules, these supplements, let me have a look. Okay, let me show you. This is how they look like. But when I was doing my research, before I bring anything to you, my people, my lovely people, I always take my research. So I always take out a strip and then I put it in the freezer. It helps me take them better. Are you trying to run away from cancerous problems? Are you trying to run away from reducing heart diseases? Take these capsules, Omega-3. They are going to really to help you. But for the people who are diabetics, please do not take these capsules together with vitamin E. They might also be aiding on the inflammation, which might also be like a dangerous thing. Like, always please try to ask for your doctor or to go to the physician. I don't really recommend these capsules straight away for the people who are having other medication. So I highly recommend, please ask your doctors before you make the decision of taking most of the supplements, basically. And if you take these capsules for Omega-3, you know what? It's going to help you from reducing the inflammation. Okay, there are some people normally, for example, if you've been running or you slide and fall down, you're going to bleed, and you might bleed without reducing, like the blood will be really flowing. But if you include this supplement, you will be really good to go. And also for the children, if they don't want to put children on this kind of capsules, try to include things like spinach. You can also try to include pumpkins. You can also try to put carrots, asparagus, and you can also include mushrooms as well, because mushrooms are also very good in terms of inflammation. They are going to help you, and then you will get also this omega. So those are some of the plants that are always really going to be very helpful in your body. Please take notes. Do not forget. Please, I kindly beg you. Take supplements, or if you can, take lux, take fish, take all the seafood that you have a chance to get. Normally, I would also like to say these capsules, Omega-3, they're also very good in they also help in aiding weight loss. If you really take them, you might find that you're trying to reduce on the weight loss. Like for the people who are having a fat belly, it might help you if you really watch out on what you eat, and also try to take low fat in most of the dairy products. For example, milk, we have 3.5 or we have 1.5. So you might also try out the 1.5, and then you leave out the 3.5 fat of the milk. Like, you really try to watch on everything that you eat. Do you like my look? My look is being inspired by this oil. I bought this oil like when I was really struggling. I've been traveling a lot. I went to Middle East. I went to Dubai this summer. I went to US, and it was really, really very hot. In Uganda as well, I also went to Uganda, and you can really tell like there are different types of weather. Oh my God, Georgia in Atlanta, it's humid, it's hot. And I realized my skin might really be reacting. So I said, no, I'm not going to go after summer and then I will have a very weird skin. So I tried to invest in myself this kind of cocoa butter gel. It has really worked for me. It has done wonders. It's really been doing wonders. And I also said, I'm not gonna leave my baby. This is deep moisturizer for Neutrogena. This Neutrogena is a very good moisturizer. It's very good for the epidermis, for the outer surface of our skins. If you have problems, if you have acne, if you really have dry skin and you're looking for what kind of a moisturizer that you can use, I really recommend this. There is also one that you can have. It's called the Nivea 48 hours. I also highly recommend that one for the people who are having very dry skin in summer seasons, in winter seasons. Do not forget, please, to moisturize your skin. And for my other look, for the powder, of course, this is my baby. This is MAC. I also use the MAC as a powder in the tone of NW 45, sorry. It's a 45. Yeah. And how do I look? Well, anyway, and for the lips, I used this one from, it's a matte Pro Matte. I bought this one from in some of our shops here in German. It was it DM? Yeah, I bought this one from DM, but I think you can also have it. It's a liquid stick. Number, yeah, let me see the number. Yeah, anyway, it's a nice one. It has number 12. It says it lasts for 12 hours, not 12 as a number, but it lasts for 12 hours. It's really a very good, nice matte finish. And I also had as a lip liner, I used the one from MAC. It's called a Night Moth lip pencil. So I combined these two for my lip outlook. I hope I didn't bore you. And for my perfume, of course, I used the Elizab. This has been my summer scent for my fragrance. Oh my gosh, you know, I cannot just go without really smelling good. If I'm not smelling good, I'm not feeling good, and I'm not confident in my own skin. So if you have not really find this video very interesting, what are you saying? Are you meaning like it wasn't so good? Anyway, if you do find my video very educative and nice, please go ahead and share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Just ask me for anything according to the skin, and then I will be replying to you at any time when I get my time, and then I will be getting back to you. As Raquel, I really have to say thank you so much for loving my videos, and thank you so much for following me on this journey. Let's try to keep giving advices to each other. I am not saying like 100% I'm sure of everything. It's a no, but if you teach me something, I'm also ready to teach you something that I know that I learned professionally. Anyway, I will be saying thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm having my multivitamin juice for today. Usually I take water, and I am super very happy in my own skin. Thank you so much. I will see you in my other coming videos. Bye, guys.